SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the passcode on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have a passcode on your iPhone that hasn't been changed in a while, and some other people know that passcode, then you might decide to change it to something new. You can change your iPhone passcode by opening the Settings menu. You can then scroll down and select Face ID and Passcode from this menu, and then you can enter the current passcode for the device. Now you just need to scroll down and find the Change Passcode option and select that, and then you're going to need to enter the current passcode one more time. That brings you to a screen that looks like this, where you can either elect to enter a 6-digit passcode, which is the default, or if you want to choose a different option, then you can choose the Passcode Options button, and then you can select from one of the different passcode options there. I'm going to do a 4-digit numeric code, and now you just need to type the new passcode that you would like to use. And if that's an easy passcode that can be easily guessed, you're going to get this pop-up, but you can elect to use it anyway. And then you just need to re-enter the new passcode one more time to confirm it, and then it's going to take your iPhone a couple of seconds to process this change. And once it's done, it's going to take you back to the Face ID and Passcode menu, and now you're going to be able to use that new passcode to unlock your device.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.